Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting a hot take on a car that's generating a lot of buzz. The all-new 2025 Kia Sportage. Kia's been tight-lipped so far, but based on leaks and rumors, we can dive into what this exciting SUV might hold. The 2025 Sportage is expected to be a looker. The front is supposedly getting a major overhaul, with sleek headlights featuring vertical LED strips for a modern, sophisticated vibe. The signature Kia Tiger nose grille might get a makeover too, with whispers of a more streamlined design. On the sides, no huge changes are expected, but the rear is where things get interesting. Talk suggests new taillights with a more angular look and a sleeker rear bumper. Overall, the 2025 Sportage is rumored to be a head-turner that maintains Kia's distinctive design language. While details are scarce, the interior is also expected to get some love. We might see a focus on premium materials and a driver-centric layout. A central touchscreen display with the latest infotainment system and smartphone connectivity is a sure bet. Under the hood, the rumor mill is quiet. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission from the 2024 model might carry over. Front-wheel drive is likely to be standard with all-wheel drive as an option. Safety should be a priority, with features like lane-keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated emergency braking potentially standard or available, depending on the trim level. The official release date is under wraps, but whispers suggest the 2025 Sportage could hit dealerships sometime in the first half of 2025. Pricing remains unknown, but expected to be competitive with other compact SUVs in the market. Kia is definitely cooking something up with the 2025 Sportage. If you're looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and potentially fuel-efficient SUV, this one's worth keeping an eye on. Let me know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the new Sportage. And be sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars coming out.